Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a problem. Basically my driveway is a little bit narrow, the road's a little bit narrow, and so Amazon and all the UPS drivers and that sort of thing, they keep running over my sprinkler head. And so what I was really looking for is a concrete ring that you see in every Florida home that basically protects the sprinkler. It looks like a donut, you know, a ring donut, to protect the sprinkler. Well, I can't find them anywhere here. So I thought, what can I do to hack what I need to so I don't have to keep replacing the sprinkler head? And I found an old Tupperware cup. And so the nice thing about the cup is it's almost exactly the same size as the top of the sprinkler head, and it obviously gets a little bit wider at the top. So what I'm gonna do is cut this cup down a little bit, and it's hard enough that if somebody runs over it, it's got some rigidness to it. So I'll keep it about maybe an inch or inch and a half above the sprinkler head. I'll pack dirt around it, that sort of thing, and it should help protect the sprinkler from getting run over. And it's got enough on the sides of it and length of it that if I put enough of it in the ground, it should have at least enough rigidness to it where I won't have to keep replacing the sprinkler head. If this doesn't work, maybe I'll try to make some of my own concrete donuts. But let's give this a try first. Okay, it's pretty tough like Tupperware, so I'm trying a little bow saw quick just to see if I can cut through real quick. If I can't do that, I'll just hook up the table saw and basically run it through real quick. It should be pretty easy. Okay, a bow saw definitely is not the right option to cut through Tupperware. Probably would have been better off using a chop saw or something like that, but it worked. So anyways, this is what it is. As you can see, it's just kind of a cylinder, which is kind of nice, and it kind of bows at the end, and it's got a lip on it, which is good. And so what I'm going to do is try to put that over it. Ideally, they'll fit just tight around the sprinkler, and I'll leave the sprinkler a little bit more set in the ground, hoping that, you know, if I leave maybe a half inch or something like that, that'll keep it from crushing the sprinkler head into the ground and making me replace it all the ding-ding time. So if this doesn't work, it was worth a shot. And then maybe the next thing you'll see me do is try to make some concrete donuts to put over it. So do like the Florida style ones. See if that works instead. So all I'm doing is really going to remove as much dirt as I need to in order to push this cup down as far as I need to give it some more stability. So just going to remove some dirt around there. Okay. So in theory, this is exactly what I was hoping would happen. Is I'm going to sink the cup that far because the sprinkler head, when it pops up, it'll pop up above that, right? And in theory, this won't sink any further. If it sinks down further than this, then it's kind of a worthless thing to do, but hopefully it'll be better than that, and it'll stay up just about that height. Okay, now I'm just going to put some dirt back around it. Pack it in there nice and tight so the sprinkler's straight up and down, which is what I wanted it to be. And we'll see how long it takes, or if the FedEx and UPS people and Amazon people break my sprinkler yet again. Okay, so that's really it. So we're gonna see if this little hack works, and if it does, you know, for how much you're paying, or if you can't find those concrete rings or anything else to really kind of protect your sprinklers, the hard resin ones or whatever, which is what I couldn't find at Home Depot or Lowe's or anywhere around here in the Carolinas. So if not, you could probably use any plastic cup to do this as long as it's got some rigidness to it. You can see mine's pretty hard, right? So if I'm stepping on it and it's not sinking, that's probably pretty good. And I probably could have put it up a little bit further, but I feel it's going to either work or not work. So if not, we're probably going to have to maybe spike strip a couple, throw a couple solid spikes out here, pop a few Amazon tires, and then maybe they'll stop running over my ding-dang and sprinkler. Anyway, we'll see. Watch out for the next video. I'll keep you updated if this works or not, or if it sinks or whatever happens with it. If I have to do anything else, I'll let you know. Otherwise, we'll keep you updated, and we'll give you probably an update in a few weeks, because it doesn't take them long to hit it. See you next time. Thumbs up the video. Tell us what you think. Think it's gonna work? Not gonna work? If not, if you have any ideas on how to make some concrete donuts, let me know. Thanks. Otherwise, see ya. Bye.